guys, this is my R68 jet, and look how it flies. It's going not like that. It's going forwards. I hate it. I would like.
Another one.
Okay, so
Next. What's that?
this is my SU-27 jet. Look at this. It
Oh, so very
it
nice.
has wheeling on it.
Okay.
And wait. Now let's start the flight.
Okay.
And 3, 2, 1, go! Another one.
Yes. What's that?
This is the not boomerang plane. I made it wrong. I made it wrong.
Next.
So I'll call this boomerang. This one is called 67 airplane.
Okay. How to fly with that?
You will go insert it. After that, it will come up to the sky. Just like that. Put on like that from the sky, and it will come here. And this one is from like that. It will not work if you like that.
Okay.
And then
Next. What's that? It's already done. That one.
it's not fast.
What's that?
Jefferson. Wait, it's not. Wait, I need to adjust. So, guys, this is my favorite airplane.
What's that?
Holly airplane. Ever airplane.
Okay.
Yes. Go! At the back, guys. Wait, I need to adjust this.
Tuk, 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 tuk.
No. So let's go again.
Okay. That's all?
Huh?
That's all?
What?
That's all? Say thank you to your viewers.
No, it's not all yet. We have this pa. But there is nothing like this. It won't work. It
Why?
won't work. This one. Because I made it wrong. So let's play this again.
Okay.
It's spinning again.
At my back.
Huh? Where did it go? Here. Try it again. We failed.
Say bye to your viewers. Say bye.
Wait.
Say bye na.
Wait, Nita. Wait. So we need to try this.
What's that?
Paper popping.
Ay, so put.
Let's try it again.
Wow, okay na.
Thank you guys for watching my videos.